Yo, look at all this rain, bro. I like the rain.
I like rain too.
Yeah. That's a cool looking car. Back there, the white one with the black strips and everything.
Oh yeah, I've seen those.
Yeah.
I mean,
Cool, right? Yeah, I'm coming.
can you tell me what the frick this is?
Don't know.
That is very interesting, Coaster.
Yeah. So, we're gonna be out here for a while, right?
Yeah, about 15 minutes. Bro. What is with you and filming?
I don't know, bro. We get our Sam shot of the day.
Okay.
What if someone made a random, like Hot Toys figure custom of you?
I don't know, man. That'd be insane.
What would you do if they made a custom of you?
I don't know.
Yeah.
What am I supposed to do?
Come over here.
No,
Why?
I don't trust you.
I don't trust you. Yeah, that's fair. Punch me. We're dead ass. Stop punching me.
I didn't punch you.
Oh no. It's a Kia Soul. It's a Kia Soul, dude. What? I'm sorry, whoever's here, and I'm actively insulting their car and posting it online, but like, come on, man.
You have to censor the license plate.
Censor the what? I'll crop it out, and if that doesn't work, I'm fucked.
How many brain cells do you have?
Drain cam.
Just-
Drain cam.
Alright, so you're telling me that you just stick your phone in a drain pipe?
Yeah.
It has flowing water, mind you?
Yeah.
Which is an electronic. Bro, you have less brain cells than Jar Jar Binks.
Sure, hey, all of us do. We're all, the Jar Jar Binks is insanely smart, so.
Yeah. You tell me something. Dude, remember that ugly ass car we saw called the Slingshot, bro?
Yes, that was so goofy, dude.
The three built thing?
Yeah, bro, that was so goofy, man. Big fucking goofy. Alright, let's